how to boost microphone in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Now, if you want to boost your microphone, you'll need to go to your settings, go to the search bar on the taskbar and then search for settings. Go ahead and open it, and then on system you'll be able to find sound option. Tap on it and then scroll down, tap on more sound settings. Now what you need to do is you need to go to the recording tab on the top and then tap on microphone array, and then you'll need to tap on properties and then go to levels. Now here you'll find a slider, so try increasing the slider to the most, to the max, and then hit apply, and then it will boost your microphone. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.